Hello everyone, it's your girl AB Media where they bring go when the story they come. So my people, greetings from wherever you're there, they watch me. I just want to talk about what is happening to TV Joshua Church, and I'm not just happy because yesterday I followed them where they are doing the program, but the internet is was cutting, going off and on, so I can't hear some things they say, and I just listening. So I wait. I just went out from the where I'm watching them. So I just wake up this morning. Everybody that are saying that TB Joshua Church catch fire. I don't know what is happening to people. I don't know what is wrong. I beg, if you're thinking something bad for TB Joshua Church, please just remove that one in your minds. Because church is not for TB Joshua. Church is for God. Okay? So you want things bad things to happen to God's house. You don't need to be thinking bad. You don't need to be thinking evil things against church. Just remove your mind for that. Okay? So I want you to watch
Can
and hear
someone tell me
everything I
what is
said for
happening
this
to
video.
TB Joshua
Just watch and
Church?
see.
Can
God bless
someone
you as
tell
you
me what is
listen.
happening there? Because I don't understand what is happening, my people. Eh? I don't understand. They said the TB Joshua Church have catch fire. I don't understand, my people. And yesterday I was following them before I get sleep. I was following them in the to pray. So after the internet is not connecting well. The service will come, it will go, it will come, it will go. So I just feel like I just want to I put my head to wait some minutes. Sleep just carry me. I just wake up this morning. They told me that TB Joshua Church was what I say, what is happening? Can someone tell me what is happening? I was so surprised when they're saying it. I don't understand what is happening. Oh. Can somebody tell me what is happening? TB Joshua is a very strong man. He's a pastor that I respect so much. He help people, and a lot of people know that he's a very good man. But when nobody is perfect in this world, you cannot be 100% good. We are human beings too. So, but TB Joshua, when you just go, everybody, this one will talk like this one will come and talk like this pastor will come and talk like this pastor will come and say like this. You people are serving God, or unless you people are not serving the same God. Because I can't understand when somebody, man of God like you, to go, you just start condemning him. TB Joshua wanted to do this one for you. TB Joshua is this. TB Joshua is that. My people, why can't everybody respect their self? Let us leave the dead to rest. Let us leave the dead to rest. I don't know why our people are doing this. We don't like when something good or when something is happening to someone or when something. I don't understand people. We have to learn how to be a good people. And if you are a pastor, you have to be preaching what you're example for the people you're preaching. The thing you preach, you be example of it. Not that you're preaching B and you're doing A. Many of you, as a pastor, you build a school, your members will not be there, cannot afford to pay money for the school. It's only big people that come to your church you can afford the money. Why can't you build that school so your members, those ones that don't have, why can't you build the school for them so they can be going attending to the school? But if you look at TB Joshua, TB Joshua is somebody, if you like, call him any names, you call him, you like to see him. He tries so much. You feed people, you give a lot of people money, you give a lot of people things, you give a lot of people food, you give people money, give them food, pay their house every month. You make sure that you pay their bills. Why people don't like when someone is good, I don't know why we people condemning the person that already go. Why can't you people move on? Because you that are pointing finger for someone, you too, you're going to go one day. You don't know? You are going to go one day. Don't feel that because TB Joshua is gone, You too, you're going to go. Everybody in this earth is how we go one day, one by one. When your time comes, you are going to go. I don't know why jealousy is too much in the church. You preach people, you tell people, don't be doing this, don't do that, and you are the one that is doing everything. The same thing you're preaching to people, you do the same thing. You jealous and jealous for people, you don't like people telling where people are saying the truth. You don't like where people are saying the truth. Let us leave the dead to rest. TB Joshua, whether it's good or bad, let's just leave him, let him rest. Stop condemning him. You that are condemning TB Joshua, you are not perfect. You that pastor, you condemn, you stand in your altar, what you are talking, and this and that, and this one, I'm not going to. My dear, where God say is your time to go. Nobody. If you like, do anything to make your time no come. God say yes, your this time is your time. When God say yes, nobody can stop it. Let me tell you. You know, sometimes you people stand an altar, you stand there and be preaching. You don't preach what God tell you people to preach. When you preach, sometimes you preach, but you can't do the same thing you're preaching. You preach to people, do the same thing. Stop condemning your people. Stop condemning your fellow man of God. Is somebody that just gone? TB Joshua is a very good man. For me, I see as a very good man. He's not a bad person. He's not a bad person. This man tries so much, try. No matter anything you said. You see this God, nobody is perfect. All you that are saying the TB Joshua is not good. Are you good? You're not good too. So you build a church, your members cannot be there. What you people know to how to drive a biggest car and drive a bigger jet, buy 3 or 4 jets, only you. Why your members that put that offering every day, some of them they don't have garri to eat. They just come there and use all their last card and put there. But you don't care about them. TB Joshua just gone. You people are there talking. Why can't you remember for the good ones that you do? What TB Joshua already do? Why can't you remember am? Remember the good work wey TB Joshua do wey him dey alive. Helping people, feeding people, doing things normal as a free person. Can you see where TB Joshua is living, my people? Do you see where TB Joshua is living? Oh my God. Can you see where TB Joshua is living? Many of them will be pastor. Can you live in that kind of flat? Can you live in that kind of place as a man of God? Can you live in that kind of place? You will go and find a duplex, buy a lot of cars there. Please let them leave TB Joshua alone. Let him just rest. People that are planning evil against him, I don't understand. Why can't you leave the man alone? Why can't you leave the pastor alone? Leave the church alone? What is you people problem? What is you people problem? I don't know wetin cause the fire, but my people, everybody have to be very careful. Everybody have to be, they have to tell us what caused that fire, because I don't understand. Eh? Mona leave the man, make the man go well. Eh? You that planning for somebody every day and night, you forget your time is going to be one day. Stop planning evil against your fellow brother, against your fellow sister. Don't think bad for somebody. Think good for the person, so good will come for you. But when you're thinking bad for somebody, Remember that God is there watching everybody's hearts. So know the things you do for people. Know the kind of things, the way you treat people, the way you do to people. Be very careful for what you do to people. God go bless una. God go guide una. God go protect una in anything you people are doing. And make we dey pray for TB Joshua Church so it will not fold. Because the enemy, they are trying by all means. They make sure say them bring the church down. But let's gather and pray to God to protect them, protect the family, protect the church, so the church of God will not fold. Okay? God bless you, guide you wherever you are listening to this video. God protect you, God guide you and protect you. Make a way where there's no way for you. Remain blessed. God bless you all. Bye.